anyone here? Hello?
Wow! A live kid! Welcome, friend!
Don't be afraid.
I am Dr. Z. I heal humans, even though I am technically dead.
You are a doctor? But your skin is green. Are you gonna eat me?
Oh no! I only eat knowledge. Come, let me teach you about the human body.
See this?
It's called a stethoscope.
Can I listen to music with it?
No, silly. It's used to hear the drum inside the body, meaning the heartbeat.
Heartbeat? What is that? Do I have a drum inside me too?
Of course! On the left side of your chest. It goes lub-dub.
Lub-dub? Shh, quiet.
Listen, can you hear anything? Hey.
It really is going lub-dub. Why does it make that sound, Dr. Z?
Because the heart is a pump machine. It pumps blood. This blood carries oxygen all over the body. We can't live without oxygen.
Oh, so the heart keeps the engine running?
Exactly. Just like a car won't run if the engine stops, a human won't run if the heart stops.
My engine is running very fast. Does the sound get louder if I run?
Yes. Running requires more energy, so the heart pumps faster.
I don't have a beating heart, so I don't get tired.
But you need rest.
You are like a superhero.
So, how do I keep my heart happy?
Eat good food and exercise.
And don't eat too much oil or fat.
It jams the pump.
Got it. Less burgers, more apples. So, how do I keep my heart happy?
Eat good food and exercise.
The heart is the boss.
Absolutely. Now, let's learn about washing hands.
Eco, show me your hands. Look, they are clean.
You can't see everything with naked eyes. Look through this magic glass.
What will I see? There is nothing there. Oh my! What are those moving things? Bugs?
Those are germs. They make you sick.
Go away! Shoo! Why aren't they leaving?
Shaking won't work. You need soap to kill them.
I have to wet my hands first, right?
Correct. Now take the soap and scrub.
Soap is the enemy of germs. It makes them slip and fall off.
Then let's fight. Give me the soap. You must scrub for at least 20 seconds.
Sing happy birthday twice.
Happy birthday to me. I have to wet my hands first, right?
Correct. Now take the soap and scrub.
Achoo! Oh no! You didn't cover your mouth.
Sorry, when you sneeze, germs fly into the air.
What should we have done? Like this, vampire style, covering the mouth with the elbow.
Wow! You know a lot, Eco.
And if you have a cold, it's best to wear a mask.
Like a superhero mask?
We are now the Germ Fighter Team. Mission: clean hands complete.
Eco, do you know what the hardest part of the body is?
Your teeth? Or your head? Look at this! It's a bone!
Ah, you took your arm off. Didn't it hurt?
No, I'm a zombie.
But bones are the frame or structure of our body.
Like the poles of a tent?
Exactly. Without bones, we would lie on the ground like jellyfish.
I don't want to be a jellyfish. I want to stand up. Where are my bones? Under the skin?
Yes, press it. It feels hard, right?
Bones need calcium to stay strong.
Do you know where to find that? Chocolate?
Bones need calcium to stay strong. Do you know where to find that?
Chocolate? No.
In milk, eggs, and small fish.
Yuck! I don't like drinking milk.
If you don't drink milk, your bones will become soft like this and break.
Okay, I want to be strong. I will drink milk. This is the skull. It protects your brain like a helmet. So I have a natural helmet in my head? This is the skull. It protects your brain like a helmet. So I have a natural helmet in my head? What is a joint?
Where two bones meet, like your elbow or knee.
Because we have joints, we can bend our arms and legs. Look at my dance.
Your dance is so funny. Bones also need sunlight.
It gives vitamin D.
I love playing in the sun.
If a bone breaks, we use this X-ray machine to take a picture inside.
A selfie for bones? That's cool.
Remember, always sit straight, or your bones will grow crooked.
Yes, sir. Sitting straight now. I am hungry, Dr. Z.
Here, take an apple. Do you know what happens to food inside?
Does magic happen in the tummy?
Something like that. First, teeth chop it into small pieces.
Me.
Yes, it's a mixer machine. The food melts into juice here.
What if I eat bad food?
Then the tummy machine will break down. You'll get a stomach ache.
Uncovered street food and too many chips are enemies of the stomach.
And water?
Water is digestion's best friend. It helps melt the food.
I will drink 8 glasses of water every day.
Slow down. Eat slowly, Eco. Why?
I am in a hurry. What if I eat bad food?
Then the tummy machine will break down. You'll get a stomach ache.